Hey you guys, it's Riley again, and here's another compost update. Let's get to it. All right, as you can see, the latest compost update shows you a much different stack than the last time. I've been so thankful for the community support that I've had, where I've just been able to just kind of keep a watch on Facebook Marketplace and different things like that, just to kind of see when people are offering up like some free materials. Like, of course, I told you about the person that helped me out with some soil so they could clear some room for a new deck. I got some wood shavings from some stuff we were doing at work. Also got some wood chips because we've had some storms that happened badly lately in the area. So people have been cutting down trees and chopping them up into wood for mulch and stuff like that. So I saw someone post about that. And of course, driving home from work, I found bags of grass and stuff. So I was able to at least pick those up too. So that's been a great help. And so on top of that, that's really helped with my dry aspects of the compost, along with adding like more and more fruits and vegetables to it, well, scraps at least. All right, I just got through mixing it up. And like I said, like you kind of want to do this once a day or once every 2 days. You can kind of let it go an extra day or two. Just depends on how many scraps you've added to it. I try to make sure that if I don't add too many scraps, and that if I do, I'm making sure to keep them covered in the meantime. Like if I come in and do it before it gets dark, I'll throw some on and grab a couple shovelfuls and then put that out. But yeah, you just want to kind of keep it mixed up, and it's going to be a long process, but by the end of it, you should have some quality soil. But yeah, this is my current progress today. Kind of mixed it up a little bit. Yeah, I know, it could be better. With that being said, like I said, the biggest point that you want to understand is that this is going to take a minute. And so if you're trying to improve your garden now, you might want to wait a couple weeks. But like I said, I've been working at this for a couple months now, and it's been good. I've been taking a little bit at a time. But overall, like I said, the biggest goal is that you don't like leave it to the point where it's just really smelly, because then you have rodents, you have to deal with all that stuff. If you have to, just put in like 5 or 10% of your stack as far as fruit and stuff, and just put it at the center and just cover it. And just kind of keep it moist every now and then. It should rain here soon. I'm actually feeling a few sprinkles right now. But that's just really what the current progress of my compost, and I'll keep you updated. Just want to take a moment to say thank you guys for tuning in. Like I said, if you guys have any questions or recommendations, feel free to let me know. I am all here for it. I'm here for doing more research. I'm really just trying to do what I can and kind of learn as good as like you guys are learning too. So, like I said, you guys know anything better than me, I'm more than welcome to look into it and get back to you. I'm not trying to be mean or anything, but like I said, you should always do your own research and do your own confirmation beforehand. But like I said, I'll keep you updated. You guys stay safe, and let me know if you need anything else or if you want to see a video on anything in particular. Should have a July update as far as my garden goes. But yeah, you guys have a great week.